Well, here's another nice mess you've gotten me into.
What do you mean, I got you into?
Well, your name's Laurel, isn't it?
Well, only on my mother's side.
Right. So right now, the average car weighs anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 kilograms.
That is an enormous amount of mass.
It's basically a small tank.
It is. It's a phenomenal amount of dead weight to move around. If you step back and look at the physics of modern transportation, it is highly disproportionate to what we're actually doing.
Because the average trip taken in that massive 2,000 kilogram vehicle is only 9.44 kilometers.
Barely done.
And it's usually carrying just one person. The average occupancy is a measly 1.14 people. So, to put it in perspective, you're basically using a 1,500 kilo sledgehammer to crack a tiny 9-kilometer nut. It just doesn't make any logical sense.
Not at all. I mean, for the very rare ability to occasionally carry 4 passengers and release the heavy luggage, we drag around this enormous spatial footprint and structural weight for every single short trip to the grocery store or the office. Exactly. The energy required just to move the vehicle itself before you can count people inside is...
So if the car is a sledgehammer, why am I staring at a sea of SUVs every morning?
The sociologist John Urey describes this phenomenon as instantaneous time.
Instantaneous time. What does it mean by that?
Cars give us this powerful illusion of absolute freedom and flexibility. It's the idea that you can leave your house exactly when you want and arrive exactly at your destination without having to rely on a fixed train schedule or bus route.
You are the master of your own time. But I mean, anyone who has sat on a highway gridlock at 5:30 p.m. knows that's just one master.
Exactly. That exact pursuit of individual time saving has caused our cities to sprawl outwards just to accommodate all these vehicles. The sheer volume of cars requires massive infrastructure, which creates the very congestion that traps us.
Self-fulfilling prophecy.
Yeah. So the freedom of the car actually reduced our viable transport choices.
Yeah.
We built a world where you literally have to use the 1,500 kilo sledgehammer just to participate in society.
Okay, that makes sense on a macro level. You know, we built the roads for cars.
A fundamental shift in agency.
Agency.
Right. It's about how you can transition from being this passive consumer who just buys, whatever is sitting on a showroom floor into an empowered creator.
And to understand why we desperately need that shift, we first have to look at this staggering, honestly almost comical inefficiency of the vehicles we currently use every single day. I think a good way to look at this for you guys listening is to compare traditional manufacturing to a solid plastic toy dinosaur.
Okay, I like this.
Right. If you have a solid plastic T-Rex, it can only ever be a T-Rex.
Anything else in particular?
If its leg breaks off, well, you just have a broken T-Rex.
Yeah, its form is completely static.
But modularity is like Lego. The pieces can be a dinosaur today, but tomorrow you can take them apart and, I don't know, build a spaceship.
That's a perfect analogy because it shifts the philosophy from product longevity, trying to make that plastic dinosaur last forever, to component longevity.
Where the Lego bricks themselves last forever, but the product constantly evolves.
Yes. And Ulrich makes a crucial point that modularity is a relative state, not just a binary one. Things exist on a spectrum.
Sort of like modules within modules.
Exactly.
Yeah. Somehow you end up with a precision vehicle, one that could be like infinitely reconfigured.
It's wild. It completely upends the traditional expectation of manufacturing, really.
Oh, totally.
Because, we usually assume a vehicle requires this massive assembly line, like steel presses, robotic arms, a completely closed system where a chassis is welded together.
And it becomes this highly specific, totally unchangeable machine.
Exactly. Yeah. Take substituting and porting, for instance. If you are hacking a vehicle together in a garage, you might substitute a heavy steel steering column for a lighter aluminum one.
Or you might port a suspension module from like an old mountain bike and integrate it into a completely new system.
Exactly.
Of individual cities to sprawl outwards just to accommodate all these individual vehicles. The sheer volume of cars requires massive infrastructure, which creates the very